Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review and showing you some swatches of the latest release from Sleek Makeup, which are these lip shots, which are basically lip glosses, and they just says lip shot gloss impact. So altogether there are 12 shades, but Sleek, you sent me 11. One's missing. There is a bright red one which should be in this video, but unfortunately I appear to have just received 11, so I'm really sorry about that, but nothing I could do. As you guys know, I'm on Sleek's PR list and they send me new products whenever they release them. They never ask me to do a review. I'm not paid to do a review. I will give you my open and honest opinion, as I always do. Now, getting straight into it, let's just read what they say off their website. It says, our highly pigmented, intense impact and shine gloss, non-sticky formula on your lips, developed to complement all skin tones. It's a mega full coverage and long lasting. Get full payoff in one stroke. And they cost $4.99 each, which is really good value for money. Sleek is a drugstore brand based in the UK, but they are sold worldwide. The larger they got, the more they expanded everywhere across the world. Now it says highly pigmented. Yes, I would agree. I am actually wearing one of them on my lips right now. This is in the shade Game Player. So when I remove this off, I will apply this last, because obviously it's part of my outfit and going out afterwards, so I kind of need to maintain my look. Highly pigmented, definitely I would say yes, it is highly pigmented. I am wearing one of these now and I'm wearing it on its own with nothing underneath. I'm really happy with the way that it looks. I mean, you guys can see for yourself, it goes really nicely with my dress and the rest of my makeup. So these ones I think work really nicely, and yes, I would definitely say they all work across the board on all skin tones. Non-sticky, definitely. No stickiness at all, which I love. Mega full coverage and long lasting. Now I have had this on my lips for, I would say, about 5 hours. I've not eaten anything. I have been drinking my little Canada Dry ginger ale, my fave, and you can see that obviously it is all around the rim. So it performs like a normal lip gloss. It depends on how much you eat, you drink, if you kiss, that sort of thing. So if you don't do any of that, it will last longer. That's just kind of common sense more than anything else. And I definitely find that the other shades don't really tend to bleed as much, because I find lip glosses tend to bleed on me quite a bit. Now, like I said, I've had it on for about 5 hours and I can see it has bled slightly around the edges. Now that may have something to do with the fact that it is outside right now. Let's see. It is 29 degrees. It's hot in London. I am hot in here. My garage door is open. You can hear the birds chirping outside. It's hot. So that has, I found, slightly interfered with the lip gloss, in that because my body temperature is quite high. I'm sweating. This is part shine, part highlight, people. That it can interfere slightly with how it bleeds. But then again, I find that that happens more with brighter colors than with more nudie colors, such as this one. They're gorgeous, they look lovely. Maybe apply a little bit less, apply it more to the center of your lips rather than the outside, so that when it does move around, it will move onto your lips rather than on the outside. But overall, I think these are gorgeous. I give them a 10 out of 10. They wear beautifully, they feel comfortable, they're non-sticky, which I love when it comes to lip glosses. They're $4.99, so affordable, and there is a massive variety of shades. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to remove this one off my lips, and I'm going to do my lip swatches of all of these. Now I know a lot of you have been annoyed with me recently because I haven't been doing any lip swatches videos. There is a reason. I had eczema on my face for quite a long time. As much as I appreciate a lot of you didn't like the fact that I didn't do any lip swatches video in my lip series, there was a reason behind it, and that is the reason. However, it's gone, and it's been gone for quite a while, so now I will continue doing lip swatch videos. See that? That is how easily it came off. And it leaves like a really nice stain behind. What do you think? Just wanted to show you guys me removing it before I got started. Now you've seen it, now you don't have to watch anything else. Alright, so lip gloss is off. Let's start off with this first one here. And it's just got a standard doe foot applicator. Nothing different, nothing extraordinary. It's simple, it's straightforward. It's just got your normal kind of applicator for lipsticks. Comes in a plastic tube. Nice and easy. Keeps everything neat and clean. So this first shade is called Dark Paradise. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colour. Look at it. What I like about these is that not a lot of product comes out from the tube on here, and I hate it when you get too much product that comes out onto the actual applicator, because then you find you've got too much on your lips. It's very easy to go back in and out so that you can control the amount that you put on. It's a very nice texture. It's not too runny, it's not too thick, and it glides on beautifully. I love this colour. It's a gorgeous kind of a deep cool toned plum sort of shade. Will look amazing on all skin tones and will look beautiful in like the autumn kind of months. So this next shade is called Plot Twist. Gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful everyday wear kind of colour. Gorgeous to wear with a similar sort of look like I have, which is very orange and gold with a pop of blue, to wear to work. It's a very pretty kind of mixture between a brown and a pink, so a very kind of neutral sort of shade that will go well with all skin tones. This one is so pretty as well. This one is like a beautiful pinky peach sort of shade. Looks gorgeous, so opaque, beautiful to wear for spring and summer months. Wow, what can I say about this one? This one is called Do What I Want. It's like such a bright, beautiful pink. I actually love this kind of pink. Makes my teeth look a bit yellow, but that's okay. I don't have to smile all the time. Really pretty. It's a lot more opaque than this one, I've just realised. And the colour itself is gorgeous. It looks amazing. Will look beautiful on all skin tones, especially really, really deep skin tones. This will really pop against your dark skin. It'll really be that focus that you want when you don't want focus anywhere else. But I love it. I think it's gorgeous. This shade is called Brutal Honesty, and to be brutally honest with you guys, oh my god, the perfect nude pink. So for those of you that wanted that perfect nude pink, here it is. Gorgeous, look at it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I love it. Totally gonna wear this to work, even though I generally wear whatever I want to work, but I'll wear it to work anyway. I suggest for those of you that are not as lucky as me that can wear whatever makeup they want to work, wear this. You will love it. Looks gorgeous. Look at it. It's like a beautiful, nudie, milky sort of pink that will look amazing on all skin tones. My lips are getting sore, you guys. Look. Look at, I got lip fillers. Swollen. After Brutally Honest, we have the Hidden Truth, and the hidden truth is that this one is a very kind of cool toned brown. It is not going to be everybody's cup of tea. Most people tend to go for warm toned browns, but this one is definitely one for your cool toned kind of looks. Definitely the kind of shade that I'd be more likely to wear in the autumn winter months, when you're not going for something so bright and so warm because your skin is looking a bit dull. And if your skin's looking a bit dull, sometimes it's good to wear a lipstick colour such as this. For those of you that like to wear silvers a lot, this will look amazing with silver eyeshadow and your more taupey sort of colours, because this is the kind of lipstick or lip gloss that reflects those kind of tones. Okay, so this next shade is called Don't Ask. Is anyone seeing a theme with these names? Like Hidden Truth, Don't Ask, What do you want to know? Those sort of things. Okay, I swear that wasn't a name, but I just made that one up. So yeah, so this one, it's a very creamy nude. I think I can just about get away with wearing this. I think I can just about get away with it without looking like concealer mouth. So for those of you that maybe are a couple of shades darker than me, you may want to reconsider getting this one. But I think those of you that have got quite a fair skin tone, this will work amazingly for you as an everyday nude, but not so much on people that are a little bit darker than myself. This next shade is called Dress to Kill, the most perfect name for this shade of lipstick. It's a beautiful, vibrant, purple magenta shade. Will look amazing on all skin tones. It's gorgeous. I didn't even need to apply that much. It's fully opaque. It looks beautiful and glossy, and I am so impressed. So this next shade is called Ready or Not, another beautiful, stunning shade. It's like a blackened brownish red. So for those of you that don't really like to wear red, prefer more brownish sort of reds, you will definitely love this shade. This is a very vampy, very evening sort of shade. And again, will look gorgeous in autumn, winter months, definitely. But for those nights out, especially when you've got an amazing glowy tan in the summer, it will look stunning. So this shade is called Behind Closed Doors, a beautiful, quite muted, purpley sort of shade with a hint of mauve and pink to it. A lot more wearable than some of the more brighter colours, and will definitely work well with all skin tones. And last but not least, the shade Game Player, which is what I was wearing at the beginning of the video, which is this beautiful, gorgeous, corally orange sort of shade, which will look amazing for the spring summer seasons. So that's it. My lips are now sore. I'm going to go stick my head in a bucket full of ice. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.